What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be showing you how to change out an air filter on a 2008 Toyota Rav4. Technically, there are no tools required for this job, but in this video I am using a 10mm socket and a trim panel tool. It is the longer way, but it is the safer way to remove the air filter without breaking anything. Start by locating your air box, which is located on the right hand side of the car behind the battery. Next, remove the 3 clips that are holding the wire harness down, shown here. Once those are removed, unplug the MAF sensor and put that to the side. Next, use your 10mm to loosen the air intake tube hose clamp that secures it to the air box. Next, push and pull the retaining clips that hold the upper part of the air box to the lower part of the air box. Firmly push the air intake tube off the upper part of the air box. Once off, slide the upper part of the air box forward towards the battery and lift up, revealing your air filter. Pull out your old air filter, put that to the side, grab your new one, and drop that sucker in. When installing the new filter, make sure it sits flush. Reinstall the top part of the air box. When reinstalling, keep in mind not to pinch the MAF sensor wire harness and make sure it sits flush against the air filter. Also, make sure that the 2 rear tabs on the upper part of the airbox align with the lower part of the airbox. Slide that thing back and make sure it locks in place. Resecure the retaining clips from the bottom of the airbox to the top of the airbox, making sure that they are secured together. Snap back in place the 3 clips we removed earlier and make sure you re-plug in that MAF sensor. Lastly, tighten down the air intake tube hose clamp. Congratulations, guys, you now know the safest way to change out an air filter on a 2008 Toyota Rav4. If you guys enjoyed this video or just found it informative, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY, where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots.